Welcome back to the ship show. There's so much stuff you can do on a ship. Today, we're going to talk about some of the things that you might not know you can do while on board.
Like what?
Well, I'll tell you right after this really cool intro. Check it out.
Ship Show.
Number 8. Yo, I'm allergic to exercise, y'all. You can believe it?
Yeah.
Though I can still get down with some yoga. And I know there's yoga classes on just about every cruise ship. But did you know? Nowadays there's a new twist. On some ships, you can do laughing yoga.
I knew this because I've actually done it. Gonna be honest, the day I did it, I was really apprehensive about it and I was really tired going in. But when it was all said and done, I gotta say, I was completely energized and refreshed. It was like a jolt of energy after it was over. And the best part was the reactions of the people in the crowd watching us. They didn't even know what to think. It was so entertaining. The key is to just kind of let yourself go. You can't be uptight about it. You just gotta let it all hang out.
Can you give the people a taste?
Ask and you shall receive.
Laughing long, and it's a laughing lawnmower. So we're gonna start it. We've been on vacation, it takes a bit, and then we're gonna mow our lawn, which is right here on the dance floor. Are you ready? Here we go.
Number 7, ice skating. You know I love me some entertainment, especially the shows on board.
You do.
Nowadays, there's quite a few ships that have ice rinks on board where they put on an amazing show. But what's even cooler is that when the shows aren't on, they open it up for the peeps to do some ice skating.
So you're saying you can skate on ice on a moving ship on the ocean, even in the Caribbean.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Can you skate?
Not very well, but pro tip. They make you wear blue jeans when you go to the ice skating rink, so come prepared.
Number 6. As cruise lines continue to add toys to their ships, and you know they keep doing it, you might not know that you can actually ride go-karts or even jump on some bumper cars at sea. And these aren't just for the kids, y'all.
You're stinking daggone freaking A right. I know the Norwegian Breakaway has one of the largest go-kart tracks at sea, and I've actually done the bumper cars on Ovation of the Seas, and it was a blast.
And you do it again?
Stinking daggone freaking A right.
Well, you stinking daggone freaking A right, I'm gonna do it on my next cruise.
Word.
Word.
Number 5, a different kind of dinner experience. You know I'm all into the food, and I'm always ready for dinner. But did you know there's a few ships out there that offer a mystery dinner theater? I've done it myself on Freedom of the Seas, and it was one of the most entertaining meals I've ever had, and it was fun for the whole family.
You know, the only reason I know about those is because I saw it on one of your vlogs.
That's right. And you can check that vlog out by going into the comments and checking out the link.
So who did it? Colonel Mustard?
You'll just have to watch, buddy.
Oh, it's not Clue.
No, I might have to kill you if I told you.
Right on. Number 4, escape rooms.
Ooh.
And I gotta do this. It's for the people. John, I need you to sing the official song of the ship show.
Okay, for you, buddy. I'll do it. If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. If you like making love at midnight,
So beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
And yes, there are escape rooms at sea on some ships. So if you haven't tried this kind of experience, it's a must. They basically stick you in a room with clues, props, and you got to use teamwork and ingenuity to make it out before time expires.
Pro tip. If you want to do the escape room, make sure you book that sun gun as soon as you board the ship, because it fills up quick, y'all.
Good tip. You're supposed to sing. So come with me and escape.
Number 3, Zipline.
Ooh, like my fly.
Not quite. Zip lines are no longer just for ports and excursions. On some ships, you can actually zip line across the Lido while catching a glorious view of the belly flop and hairy chest contest.
My daughter and I love zip lines. I need to know this. Do they have it on our next cruise?
Heck yeah, brah. And we could do it right after we hang 10 on the flow rider, dude.
Gnarly.
Righteous! Righteous!
Righteous! Yeah! How was that?
So bad.
Number 2, you can book your next cruise. And I know every time I cruise, about halfway through, I'm already looking forward to the next one. So what better place to book your next one than while you're on board? Most ships have a dedicated desk where you can do just that.
A lot of times they'll even offer special perks and savings that you might not be able to find on land. So that's a plus.
I'd be careful though. Just think about that when you've been maximizing your drink package.
Good point.
Be careful.
Great pro tip. And the number one thing you might not know that you can do on board a cruise ship, go to jail. Let's say you just booked 4 cruises at the next cruise desk.
Yeah.
You decide to go celebrate at the club, your favorite jam comes on, you start flailing about, and bump into somebody you probably shouldn't have. Next thing you know, you're caught in a kerfuffle. Cruise ship security does not play, y'all.
Yes, sir, they have a cruise ship jail, y'all. It might be just for a short stay until they drop you off at the next port, where I guarantee you that jail is not going to be as nice.
Try explaining that to your family on day 3 of your 7-day cruise.
It kind of sounds like this has happened to you.
No, but it's some guy I know, maybe.
Rico?
Yes, Rico. Her name was Rico. She did the cha-cha.
Well, there you have it, folks. 8 things you might not know you could do on a cruise ship. We hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.
Yeah, and if you made it this far, do us a favor, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you know when the next video comes out. Here at the Ship Show, we like to do fun videos like this, but we also do vlogs and a weekly live stream that happens every Wednesday evening at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We'd also like to invite you to join our Facebook group, The Ship Show, where we like to have fun with our little community. Thanks for watching, guys.